Looking at our routes once again, for this request, the only action is returning a view. Hence, adding it as a closure makes sense. But this is not always the case. We usually have a lot of logic that goes on for every request. For example, a login request will contain the logic to check if the user's credentials match, to log the user in, or to return an error message, and more. We use controllers to group related logic into a single class. By default, controllers are stored within the app HTTP controllers directory. This is just the default controller created by Laravel for you. Now let's create a new controller using the artisan command php artisan make controller. Now in the older versions, you had to pass more parameters here in this command to create controllers or models, but in the newer version, you can simply do this and hit enter. You will be prompted asking what the name of your controller should be. As you can see in the example, this is the convention used by Laravel. It has to follow camel case like this. So let's create a new controller, calling it welcome controller. And it asks us what type of controller would you like. For now, since we don't know what the others are, let's just click empty. And the controller has been created for us successfully. Like I said, within the app HTTP controllers directory, you can command click and open this directly. As you can see, it is here. We can of course create this file manually and add all of this code, but using a command is quicker. Now let's add a method index using public function index. And here, let's return the welcome view using return view welcome. Go back to the routes file. Now this closure can be replaced with the action, which is the index action in the controller, like so. Welcome controller dot class, and the index action goes as the second parameter, like so. And when I typed welcome controller, you might have noticed this use statement got added automatically. This is taken care of by the VS Code extension PHP IntelliSense. It's installed here already for you, so you don't have to worry. Now save this file, save both the files, go to the browser and refresh. Everything works just the same. Instead of returning the view directly here, we went through the welcome controller using an index file, so now we can add more logic into here whenever we need. So we just created our first controller and defined our route to it.